Number 2, I'm gonna put the heading up here so I don't run out of room. All right, you can do this on another piece of paper to have more room, but remember you have the heading, the name of the company. Oh, I'm sorry, we're doing a multiple step income statement. All right, so what accounts go on the income statement? Do you remember? Only the sales revenue through expenses. So just knock out all the balance sheet and statement retained earnings stuff. All right, so back to the heading. Tipsy Art Supply, income statement. And the date line, remember, is for the year ended. In this case, 12/31/17. Okay, and I'm gonna come over here. Sorry, I know it looks funny, but oh well. All right, so we have sales first, and I would come, out to a far column. And the next thing deducted, or the next thing is your cost of goods sold, okay? This sales discounts forfeited, this is an other item. So it does not go up there with the revenue, it goes down below it on its own. So we have sales minus cost of goods sold. All right, and that equals our gross profit. Okay, and then we have operating expenses. And on this one, it's nice because we just have one big category for admin and one for selling, so we don't have to list a lot out. Admin expenses and selling expenses. So we subtract those. Did I add right? Let me check my adding. All right, so that leaves us with 2,000, and that's our operating income. All right, and then we have other items. All right, in our case, we have the sales discounts forfeited, and interest expense is also an other item. So sales discounts forfeited, that is 2,000, and that's a plus because it's like a revenue, it's on the credit side. And then interest expense, we're gonna subtract that. So we end up with an overall negative 1,000. My numbers don't make a lot of sense, sorry about that. All right, so we've got 1,000 of, this is income before income tax. All right, and then you subtract out the income tax expense. We'll have to assume that they had some non-deductible items or something. All right, so their income tax expense was 1,500, so they have net income of 500. Negative 500.